Okay, it's below zero today, so I'm fixing clippers. We have about 20 of them we fixed today. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. A lot of times is new Heiniger Extras, the aluminum's really soft, and so we've been stripping these out. I got 3 right here that are stripped out. These are almost new pieces. See, the grease is still pretty clean. So what we've been doing is using these Helicoil. It's called a Fixathread or Helicoil. It's a brand name. So these are a 6 mil by 1 pitch, which is the pitch you need to put the original bolt back in there. So what you need is this 6 mil to 6 mil by 1, 1/4 inch drill bit, and then this thing just threads it in. So I'll show you how it works. So all I'm going to do is drill this out. That's 1/4. I'm going to take this, put this on there, and thread this in here. You want to make sure you thread this in. Well, actually I did it wrong. You got to thread it first. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to try to put it on square. It'd be better if you had a drill press. I don't have one. But I'm just going to thread that on there. Making sure I'm going on square. And you can buy a T-handle for this. I just have a ratchet on there. So that puts the threads in there. It's pretty soft because it's aluminum. And so I learned about these helicoils from my father-in-law, who's an aircraft mechanic, and he says they use these quite a bit on aircraft because of the soft aluminum. They need to keep a strong steel thread. So you just thread these on right in there, and what happens is when they turn backwards, they lock into place. So I'm going to thread it. So that's just the end of it. It's just barely behind the, so it's flat there. I'm gonna go one more turn. So that's flat there. I'm gonna go ahead and take a side cutter, cut that off. And that should be all I have to do. So I'm going to go and put a comb on there. Let me show you that real quick. There's brand new threads in that hole now. So that did it. That put brand new threads in there, and so it's good to go. So that's how you can fix your aluminum housing on your Heinigers. So I got a few more to repair, and then we'll be set. So.